mommy's picture. You can take a picture of each other. Look, take mommy's picture. She'll take your picture.
Oh, yeah. Here comes the Yes, come on, why am I touching with that phone? Alright. Stop blowing! Ew, that's gross. Where is Mommy going and Leo?
Oh.
He got... Look, it has colorful skin. Pink, red. Over there, I can see here the colorful skin. Colorful skin. It's just so many colors. So many colors. Slow. Yeah.
That's okay.
Leo and Dad are better than cool. Why are you singing? Leo, here it comes. Yeah, Leo. I was just forgetting it else, but I gotta catch my tree.
We're better than cool.
This is just... Why is she taking out my glasses?
Yeah.